Mazda CX-90 is the largest three-row SUV we've ever built, and that length and width translates into more interior room. It offers seating for 6, 7, or even 8 occupants with flexible cargo space. As someone with 4 children, I personally appreciate the effort that's gone into crafting a spacious and comfortable interior, and that includes the third row in the back, something that can't be said for every crossover vehicle in the segment. The signature model featured here has seating for 6, with captain's chairs in the second row. However, the quality of the space is as important as the quantity. Extraordinary effort has also gone into creating a refined interior with premium materials, which include available woven fabrics, artisanal wood trim, and Napa leather. The materials and forms in the interior of the CX-90 contribute to an upscale environment that's extraordinarily quiet and comfortable. The interior has also been created to be functional and intuitive to use. The available heads-up display is considerably larger than any other vehicle we build. It makes it easier for the driver to monitor a wide range of information without having to take their eyes off the road. And the digital instrumentation provides information in a clear and easy-to-read fashion, while the seats are designed to enhance the driver's sense of control and provide all-day comfort, which I personally appreciate.